Look at that, right there. Big old surface find right there. Don't know what that is. What do you think this is? Oh, wow, where is this? Huh. Kind of light or drain? Looks like a drain. What do we have here? We have a bolt, a nut, and a scratch.